everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So we are going to be talking about Supreme Week 1. That's right, we are back in it. Supreme has initially started again, and this is the first week that we're jumping back into the grind of things. So I'm going to be going through basically all of the items that I was able to pick up. Then we're going to jump into the Sellout Times. Then I'm going to conclude with how some of the items I picked up in store are doing on the resale market currently. So let's get started with what I picked up, starting with what I'm wearing. This was actually my favorite cop of the day, and this is the Rick Rubin Tee. I think this is a phenomenal t-shirt. I got it in the navy. I know that black was the most popular color to sell out, but navy really goes with his blue eyes. So I actually think this is a better color option. I got this in a size small and it retailed at $40. Definitely a huge figure when it comes to hip hop. He helped popularize it, and he also was the co-president of Columbia Records as well as the co-founder of Def Jam Records. I mean, the guy is huge when it comes to hip hop. So super happy to have him on a t-shirt. Next up, I actually picked up a hat. This is just a really cool hat. I'm not sure if it's like a floral print or what we've got going on here. It's like mosaic or something. Obsessed with the print though and the color scheme. It's got the blue and the pink. This is the wash Chino Hat, which retailed for $48. And I really just love the simplicity of how that Supreme box logo really blends quite nicely with the color scheme in this hat. Next pickup of the day was the Shrek T-shirt. I got this in the white color scheme. I've always been a fan of Shrek, so super happy to have copped this. I got this in a size medium. All right, let's see what else we got here. And obviously all of these tees came in different color variations. I just kind of picked up the colors that I thought vibed best for me. But this is the Shadow Tee. I got this in black. Obviously it's shadowy, so I really wanted to kind of make it real super dark. And I got this in a size medium as well. I think that the picture is really dope. And apparently this is actually one of the first prints that Supreme put on its shirt. So really cool to have that history on a tee. And then the next shirt that I copped was for $38, and this is the Established tee. I wanted to get a bright pop of color. It's still summertime, so this is just a really cool, unique color, and I love the way that they print out the logo. It's a little bit different than what we've seen. And we've got the Supreme New York, USA, the Established 1994, and just a nice simplistic print for Supreme in black. All right, so next up, we have the deck. So I was able to cop the Celtic deck, but I got it in the black colorway. Obviously black is like really safe in my opinion, but I really love the print and how the Supreme just pops off on this deck and the white color scheme. And I really think this is going to be cool on the back of my wall. What do you think? And this retailed at $58 for those of you wondering. All right, so now I want to just show you all of those clothing pieces kind of up close and personal. So let's take a look at those.
So far, so good. Felt the rain, I should find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling stellar. Feel the weather, sunny rays or stormy pressure. You'll get if I get what the hard times bring me. Moving lots of new things, always with my own spin. A queen deserves a true king. Living like a movie, see the way I do me. Live that inner beauty. I'm not the type to disrespect me. Get off my back cause you're not ready. See how I flow, I do this in my sleep. Act like a boss, I don't act like Sean. There's no sheep mentality, making my dreams a straight reality. Gradually, my fantasies become so real. Thankfully, it's meant to be. I feel so
Cheese attract rats on the scene, get it gone. Rats attract cats out for peace and the dogs. The bitches come in threes, woe is me, fill them up. Same mistakes made on the regular. It's a mind state, won't fade till I let it out. It won't fade till I let it out. But the rain only falls on the fortunate. Wake up calls, needed more of them. I'm sick of scribbling thoughts up against the wall and feeling all kinds of awkward in public before performances. My mind's filling up with the sauce, but I lack the portioning. It's all time to get with the program. Enough with the slow jams. I puff on the dope and disconnect with the coke gang. Rough on the nose gang. I fell in love with my own sound. Now, it's so far.
So good. Felt the rain, I should find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling stellar. Wanna feel the weather. Sunny rays or stormy pressure. You'll get if I get wet. The hard times bring me blessings. Blessings. Find shelter, pull up my umbrella. But today I'm feeling stellar. Wanna feel the weather. Sunny rays or stormy.
Now let's jump into the Sellout Times in the US. So Rick Rubin Tee flew. The black color obviously was the most popular. Extra large, XXL, as well as smalls went the fastest. The next tee to go was the Shrek Tee in black and XXL, followed by the Rick Rubin Tee in white. The Arabic logo hooded sweatshirt in a double XL went in around 43 seconds, followed by the Rick Rubin in double XL, as well as the plum colorway. And then the next items to go after that were the pebbled leather varsity jacket in small, followed by the cow print cardigan in XL, and then the logo ripstop hooded jacket, which went in 48 seconds. So those are your top 10 sellout items. Looks like the Rick Rubin tee was by far the most popular out of all the tees, followed by some colorways in the Shrek tee. All right, so now let's conclude with how the items I picked up in store are doing on the resale market. So the Rick Rubin tee retailed at $48 and is currently going from $71 to $100, obviously depending on size and color. Then the Shrek tee, which retailed at $48, is going between $70 to $115, again, depending on size and color. Then we've got the established 1994 tee, which retailed at $38. That is going between $65 to $100. Then the Shadow Tee, which also retailed at $38, is going between $58 to $70. And the Celtic deck is going for $70 to $220, and that retailed at $58. And last but not least, the washed Chino Hat, which retailed at $48, is going for around $70 retail. All right, so hope everybody took some W's today. I was so excited for Supreme Week to get back up and running. It's been a quiet summer without you, Supreme. So happy to be back. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to smash that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about the sizes or colors, be sure to hit me in the comment box down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing Shade merch store. So be sure to check that website out after this video. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.